Okay, now you'll remember on the last video we left off with if I'm dividing and it has the same base, I just subtract exponents. Okay, let's keep going that way. Taylor, x to the fifth divided by x to the fifth. Now remember the rule is when I'm dividing, what do I do? So what do I get? X to the what? X to the 0. Okay. And what does anything to the 0 power equal? Taylor. X to the 0 equals what? Not 0. Parker Allen? 1. Now, here's why, Taylor. Remember, I can also write this division problem as a fraction. X to the 5th over x to the 5th, right? It's the same thing. Any number over itself equals 1, right? So do you see why anything to the 0 power equals 1? It's basically saying take the number and divide it by itself, and you get 1.
Why is it x to the 0? What is x to the 3rd?
Okay. Let's see. How many of those questions can I answer at one time? I'm going to actually look at this one. What does a to the 3rd divided by a to the 5th equal? What does that equal? James. James, no. Let's see, someone else. Dylan.
Can we set it up like a?
Not yet. Just follow the rule. We're dividing. So what do we do when we divide these things? A to the negative 2. Right? Okay. So now I've gotten something with a negative exponent. But what James is so impatient about telling me is that I can also write this as a fraction, correct? A to the 3rd over a to the 5th, right? Now, what does that equal, James?
1 over a squared.
1 over a squared. So what you're saying is that this is equal to that. They're the same. Yes? So if I have a negative exponent, I just need to put it on the other side of the fraction bar. Do you see why, Clay? Do you see why? Okay. Good. Now let's go down here and look at these examples. This is an easy one? Oh, look. Oh. Well, that's all right. 10 to the negative 3rd is equal to 1 over 10 to the positive 3rd. Right? We put it underneath the fraction bar. You agree, Grace? We moved it to the other side and made it positive?
Yes.
Because this little negative says I'm on the wrong side of the fraction. Put me on the other side. Oh, thank you. Now I'm on the right side. What is 10 to the 3rd, Grace? Oh, you're so good.
I'm sorry, I didn't think.
Someone help me. 10 to the 3rd, raise your hand, Parker Allen.
1 over 1,000.
1 over 1,000.
That's what I meant.
Good, that's what Grace meant. What's the next thing that I do here, SK? 5 to the negative 4 over 1 is equal to what?
Is equal to negative 5.
Clay?
1 over 20.
No.
Whoa, yes.
James?
1 over 5 to the 4th.
1 over 5 to the 4th. Remember, please put me on the right side of the fraction. Okay, now simplify that for me. What is 5 to the 4th? You guys don't have a calculator. It's 5 times 5, which is 25. Times 5 is 125. Times 5 is 625. Oh.
Clay, you said
Okay. Taylor, last one. 16 to the negative 1. What do I need to do to the 16? I need to put it on the bottom of the fraction, which makes it now 16 to the, I'm on the right side of the fraction first. Okay? Do you feel like you know how to move those things around, make them work?
Is that all our homework?
That's all your homework is. All right, good job.
This video is